Hi, I'm Rosa from Thermoficial Scientific. I'm going to show you how to get started with animation in Amira-Avizo software. The animation workroom contains four key components: the project view, which organizes data and modules in the project; the properties panel, which displays the properties and parameters of the selected module; and it also contains an additional animation column used to add points to the animation director timeline. Then we have the 3D viewer, which displays the image dataset and plays back animations. We have the animation director, which contains the control panel and a toolbar where animations can be added or removed by clicking in the appropriate button, as well as a movie can be created. There is then the event list panel, the timeline, and the timeline toolbar. So let's start by creating an animation. First, rename the current animation project. We are going to animate the slice number for the orthoslices. Select the orthoslice module, for example in the XY orientation, and click the stopwatch of the slice number port. This adds a keyframe in the timeline and an event is listed. Drag the master time slider to define the time where the animation should end. Set the final slice position, changing the slice number port in the Properties panel. Then click the plus button to add a keyframe. The first animation is created. Note the right panel allows you to modify the timeline. Next, we are going to include a second orthoslice in a different orientation using the same approach. Click the stopwatch button of the slice number port. Drag the master time slider to define the time where the animation should end. Set the final slice position, and then add a keyframe. Finally, press play to watch the animation. Thanks for your attention.